Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Val-d'Or local and long-distance movers near me. Are you looking for a cheap Val-d'Or moving company you can trust? 3 Movers offers a team you can depend on with a great reputation. When you want to move, we have the local and long-distance moving services you need. Our team has helped many people move their businesses, homes, apartments, condos, equipment, and furniture. Get the help you need with your long-distance move by hiring us. We offer options such as packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. If you're ready to enjoy an easier long-distance move, it's time to hire us. You'll get plenty of options to help you get to your new location without issue. We can move you as far as you need to go. A Canada moving company comes in handy during a local move. There are plenty of options you can take advantage of when you're ready to move across the city or down the street. 3 Movers offers plenty of options to help you move locally. We make it easier to get the move you desire without all the hard work. We will even make a larger move happen faster. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Val-d'Or moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.